So what is Best of Us investment community? Right now, it's a group of about 1,000 people that have come together and said we have an opportunity if we work together to make better investment decisions. I, in my Bus 13 portfolio, track about 42 stocks that are focused on the area of AI and semiconductors because I think that's the growth opportunity in the coming future. What I then try to do is answer your questions. Using AI, integrating it into my cheat sheet, I give you the opportunity to ask the question, what is a PE ratio? What's a PEG ratio? How do they relate to each other? What about book value? And how do these analysts, how do they come up with their projections of price in the future? And what's the latest news on any of those 42 stocks? We use AI, my AI agent, Samantha, to answer those questions, to put it in the form of a podcast so you can get current information on a day-to-day basis. Every morning, I want it to be Best of Us investors to be your first stop relative to your investments and then your last stop on the day. And so if you have a question, you can get an answer. Is this possible? Yes. Through artificial intelligence, we can answer your questions on a current basis and then build a library of questions so that you can become a better investor. How are we doing this? AI, video, and audio automation. So, what I want you to do is become familiar with our community. We're building a community. I want you to become familiar with it, so I'm going to give you a 14-day free trial. It's only $19.99 a month. That pays for the AI agent, for my work, for Mark's work, for Trent's work, and for the collective dues of the 1,000 growing people who want to make better investment decisions. So go to Best of Us Investors, follow the link in the description to the 14-day free trial and see if I can't help you become a better investor through AI.